Okay, now finally we finished the welding. Usually we have now the cooling period. And now the question is how I will get the data back to the computer. We saw at the beginning, unfortunately, there was no USB stick inside the normal box, only in this set. And I recommend to use this metal USB stick from us, because security and safety, this is one of the best ones. So now we can disconnect this little coverage of the joint. We insert the memory stick. After a beautiful little noise, we get automatically a new menu. We can download a data work file. I go down with the arrows. We have a PDF abstract. We have a PDF extended report. So this is the one we will download later. We can have a service report. And we can have a CSV document. The CSV document are very nice and risky same time, because you can read it or you can load it in Excel and you can change datas. But it's also good to have this kind of files, because you have all datas in one file. If you have to provide many joints to authority, this is the one you should send. But we go now to the PDF extended file. Now we can print all reports by commission. In our welding we didn't enter any commission number. Commission number could be like a project number. A date range, we could say, okay, download all reports made today. But we will do report range. Maybe you remember our last joint was number 4. So we say, please print all reports from number 1 to 4. We say from number 4 to 4. And we start. And hopefully we have only one report downloaded and not all the tests we made before. So the download completed. Okay, thank you very much. Disconnect the media. And now we go back to our computer. Okay, now I'm here with my computer and with my beautiful manual, and I found out I don't need any additional software to read the information of the welding. This is very good. Wonderful. The Explorer opens with a subdirectory of reports. Another subdirectory, it seems like I have no idea what this could be. Okay. I open it and I have 2 files. Remember, first I downloaded by mistake everything, and on the second just welding report number 4. I opened the welding report number 4. This is a PDF file. Basically we can see we used which machine, we can have an inventory number. It wasn't set up from our side. Which software is used. When we printed, so we printed today. This is joint number 4. The ambient temperature was 23 degrees. And we welded 1008 seconds with 33 volt. The wire had a resistance of 0.39 ohm, and the joule inside was 2019 kilojoule, and this is one of the most important value. So experienced people, they can see directly if this quantity of joule went inside the joint should be welded. So if the joule is wrong, usually the welding is wrong. And the used voltage is 231 volt. The welding was okay. There is a possibility to add from every welder with a welding card the name of the welder. We can add the commission number. Commission number is the construction. Additional data we don't have. And for the newest version, and depending on the customer, we can add a traceability code. The traceability code means how to trace the joint after installation. For this we have two different pipes, pipe 1 and pipe 2, with different lengths, and the joint is between these two pipes. So later on, for documentation of a construction site, you can see basically very clear which joint was made which date and what was the circumstances of the joint. And the geodatas, also empty. This is the GPS information. We have to see how we switch this on. So usually you could see here the geodata with the GPS coordinates would be in Germany. The other file we had was the, I downloaded another one of the first 4 joints, because maybe too much paper to print for every joint one page. So you have many joints together, and here you see with the joint number 3, the joule inside was 0 joule. It means resistance error, but also joule error, resistance error, and emergency off. This was the first one before I called Jochen when I just stopped the machine. Only 496 joule went to the joint, and this was not enough for the joint, and I pushed the emergency off. So from all the last 4 weldings I did, only number 4 was correct. The complete time, welding okay, and everything was nice. So this was basically everything in the unpacking of our e-box 23 Plus. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give me a thumb up, and if you like, follow us, and maybe next time I will make an additional 4th part or 3rd part of this video where we show how to make more settings in the machine, like the welder, like a commissioning number, like a traceability of different joints. But please comment what you want to see more about this beautiful piece of electrofusion welding equipment. Thank you very much, and see you soon. Bye for now.